Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Is your sound not working properly? Or maybe your audio is crackling or too low? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you step-by-step how to update sound drivers in Windows. Watch carefully till the end so you don't miss any step. Step 1. Open Device Manager. First, press Windows plus X on your keyboard, and from the list, click on Device Manager. Step 2. Find Sound Driver. In Device Manager, look for the option Sound, Video, and Game Controllers. Click the arrow to expand it. Here, you'll see your audio driver, like realtek, Intel, or high-definition audio. Step 3. Update the driver. Now, right-click on your audio device and select Update Driver. You'll see two options: Search automatically for drivers, Browse my computer for drivers. Select the first one, Search automatically for drivers. Windows will now check online and install the latest driver if available. Step 4. Restart your PC. After updating, restart your computer to apply the changes. Your sound should now work better with the updated driver. Bonus tip: if Windows doesn't find a new driver, you can also visit your laptop or motherboard manufacturer's website, like Dell, HP, Lenovo, or ASUS, and download the latest sound driver from there. That's it. You've successfully updated your sound driver in Windows. If this video helped you, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more simple Windows tutorials. Thanks for watching till the end. See you in the next video.